Hey, what's going on YouTube? Mike here, and today we are back with another video on this channel. So Spigen was really kind enough to send over some stuff to the channel, and so we did a quick unboxing and hands-on video of those cases. And of course today we have one of them here for review. This is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case for the iPhone 11. So we're just going to take a quick look at the case and see how it fits on the iPhone. I've always been a fan of Spigen's cases, and I'm sure that this case is good quality for your iPhone 11. So we've already unboxed this case before. If you want to see that, I'll link it below in the description. And so we have here with us the Ultra Hybrid Case for the iPhone 11. It's a bit different from most Spigen cases you see out there, such as the rugged armor and the tough armor, and it's got more of a transparent see-through feel to it. So we have here the red version, and of course it's going to match up with the red iPhone that we have here on hand. And the case is pretty simple actually. It's got a transparent see-through back, and the sides are clear as well, although they are tinted with a red color. Of course, you do get all the proper cutouts for the different ports, such as the lightning charging port, the speakers, your cameras, and the mute switch. And of course, the buttons are protected. So if you ever use this case on your iPhone, you're going to get protection for your buttons. They're going to be safe from scratches, unlike what you get with some other cases where the buttons are exposed. So I really prefer if my buttons are covered. So the back is pretty stiff, but the sides are made of TPU, which is a tough but flexible material. So you can see that it's very easy to put on your phone. You just pop it in there and it fits real snug. So handling the iPhone with the case on is not really bulky. Actually, it's kind of cool that you get to see the Apple logo at the back if you're into that kind of style, and it's comfortable and easy to handle. The buttons aren't difficult to press. Of course, there's a bit of resistance due to the TPU coverings. And you get full access, of course, to all the switches and ports on your iPhone 11. It doesn't make your iPhone look bulky either, which is something that a lot of people have against cases. They tend to make your device look more rugged or bulky than it actually is, and I don't think that's a problem with this case. Alright, so there you have it, the Ultra Hybrid Case for the iPhone 11 from Spigen. I'll leave some links down below if you guys want to check this case out. As always, I appreciate you guys for coming over to the channel, and once again, thanks for watching.